Today we're taking a look at this HP OfficeJet 3-in-1. You're going to be able to print, scan, copy with this. Really nice. It is wireless. Have been using this for about 6 weeks now and figured I am ready to do a review. You'll see right over here my computer is not connected to this at all. It does not need to be. You will need Wi-Fi in order to run this. People want to know some of the most common questions. Does this come with starter ink? It does come with black ink and colored ink, so you'll be able to get started. You can print double-sided with this and copy double-sided if you wanted to. You could scan with this as well, which is great. You're going to be able to hold up to 225 pieces of paper in here. This is where the tray is right over here. This is a smart printer. So you'll see right over here, I open the tray. It's saying, hey, the paper tray is open. Close the tray to continue. And then as soon as I close this tray right over here, it's going to say, hey, did you change the paper? And you're just going to say, okay. This is a touchscreen menu over here, which is really nice. If you ever get stuck, you could literally just hit the home button. It's going to take you back. So you could copy, you could scan over here. You could put shortcuts over here if you wanted to. And it has instructions to do that. You can see your supply. So this is going to be your ink level. So you can check the print heads and the cartridges. So you can see here, we have almost half of the black ink is gone. And you can see the red, the blue, and the yellow kind of ink as well, which is nice. So you always know how much you want. And again, you could either hit that back button to go back to supplies, or you could hit home. And then we have a help kind of center right over here with how-to videos and stuff like that. Really easy to use. Literally take this thing out of the box, literally plug it in, get your computer up, get the app, sync that up, and you're kind of good to go. So up here, this is where you're going to either make multiple copies. So if you had a bunch of stuff that you want to copy, you could put that and it will feed in and make copies of it, which is really nice. You could do that, or you could use this as well to scan multiple documents. So this top piece is going to be if you want to do multiples. Now, if you want to do singles, this opens up just like that. So if you literally just want to take a copy or scan something, a single document, you could do that right over here. Literally, if you wanted to, like, for whatever reason, photocopy this envelope, you literally could just put it right in here. You're going to shut the door. You're going to come down over here. We're not going to do this. And you're just going to hit copy. You do document copy, just like that. And it's going to load, and you'll see here, they'll be like, hey, do you want a one-sided one? Do you want this in color? You could change this to black and white, the quality normal. And then you're just going to hit this blue button, or I'm sorry, this green button right over here. And it's going to start the copy. It's actually pretty quick once this is warmed up. It goes pretty quickly. If you're making a color copy, that's going to take a little longer versus doing a black and white. You can see this does not take up much space at all, which is really nice. And probably one of my favorite parts about this, you can see here, this is just a little kind of stand right over here, and it could hang off if you want. So you don't need a ton of surface area to get this. Like, the whole thing does not have to be flat, which is pretty nice, I think, and it is not super heavy at all. So it's super easy to move, but it is sturdy. So if you were looking for a great printer that could do it all, you could do copies, you could scan, you could print from your phone. You don't need any connections to your computer. So that is one of the beauties of this. You could even have multiple computers print off of this as well. If you wanted to, you can make double-sided copies or print double-sided if you want to. It is super quiet when in use as well. You don't have to worry about that. Ink life on this is great. And again, if you ever wanted to check where you're at on the ink level, you could just do so right over here by hitting the supplies. So if you're looking for a great printer that could do all of that, definitely check this one out. It works really well, super quiet, easy to set up. If you're not techie or anything like that, this is going to be great for you because it's easy to set up and does a ton of stuff. Being able just to copy something or scan something, especially in today's world, in a drop of a hat is worth everything.